My name is Alihat Iftirasham and today we are going to learn and read about penguins. National Geographic Kids Level 2 Penguins. Penguins. What are they? What birds cannot fly? What birds spend most of their lives in the ocean but are not fish? What birds live in the coldest part of the world all year long? They swim, they march, they slide through the snow. They are penguins. These penguins are emperor penguins. Where are they? All penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. Some live where it's very cold. Some live in warmer places like the coasts of Africa or Australia. Penguins live on islands or on coasts and even on icebergs in the sea. They just need to be near water because they spend most of their lives in the water. Bird words. Equator means an imaginary line halfway between the north and south poles. Coast means where land meets water. Not just any bird. Penguins are perfect for their lives at sea. They have a sleek shape for speed. A layer of blubber keeps them warm. Big webbed feet for better steering. Layers of soft feathers trap heat. Stiff, oily feathers on top keep out water. Stiff flippers act like boat paddles to push the steer. Big eyes to see underwater. Web means connected by skin. Their black backs make them hard to see from above. Their light bellies make them hard to see from below. But it's their strong, solid flippers that help them escape predators and get where they want to go. Penguins can swim about 15 miles an hour. When they want to go faster, they leap out of the water as they swim. It's called porpoising. Porpoising. Because it's what porpoise do. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. These are ghetto penguins. What's for dinner? Life in the ocean is fishless. Penguins eat a lot of fish. They have a hooked bill or beak to help them grab their dinner. Barbs on their tongues and in their throats help them to hold on to slippery food. Would you like a drink of salty water to go with that fish? Penguins are able to clean the salt out of ocean water. They get fresh water to drink and the salt dribbles back into the ocean. This is a Humboldt penguin. Bird words. Barb means something sharp and pointy like a hook. While penguins are slurping down their dinners, they have to be careful not to end up as dinner themselves. Penguins are the favorite food of marine mammals such as leopard seals and killer whales. Penguins are also in danger on land. Birds like the skaw, the Australian sea eagle, and the giant petrel eat penguins. Even cats, snakes, foxes, and rats eat penguins when they can. Ghetto penguins and a skaw. Marine mammals have fur and give birth to live young. Unlike other mammals, they spend most of their time in the ocean. Life on land. On land, most penguins live in a large colony with thousands or even millions of other penguins. If it's cold, they huddle together. It's so warm inside a huddle that penguins take turns moving to the outside to cool off. Penguins march together to get to their nesting grounds. Once there, they wave, strut, shake, call, nod, dance, and sing to find a mate. Most penguins stay with their mate for many years. Bird words. Colony means a group of animals who live together. A chick is born. Most penguins lay 2 eggs at a time, but often only 1 egg survives. The mother and father take turns keeping the egg warm. When it hatches, the parents keep the chick warm and fed. After a couple of weeks, hundreds or even thousands of chicks wait together while the parents go back to the sea to find food. As the chicks wait, they are in constant danger from skaws, eagles, and other animals. Finally, the parents return with food. They have to find their chicks in a huge crowd of baby birds. How do they do it? The baby birds sing special songs to help their parents find them. In a few months, the whole family returns to the sea. The longest march. For the emperor penguins, getting to their nesting grounds is hard work. Their home is Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Emperor penguins nest much farther from the ocean than other penguins. They must march for days and nights through snow and wind. After laying her egg, the female gives it to the male. He will keep it warm in a flap under his belly. Unlike other penguins, the male emperor cares for the egg by himself, while the female goes back to the ocean to find food. The mother is gone for more than 4 months. The father huddles with the other male penguins to keep himself and his egg safe and warm. During this time, the father eats nothing but snow. When the mother returns in July, the father quickly goes to the ocean to find food. By December, the whole family is ready to go. Penguin Parade. Fairy, height 16 inches, smallest. Fairy penguins sing more songs than any other penguins. Galapagos, height 18 to 21 inches. Fiordland, height 24 inches. Erect crested, height 24 to 26 inches. There are 17 different species or kinds of penguins. Rockhopper, height 21 to 25 inches. Yellow-eyed, height 23 to 30 inches. African, height 24 to 28 inches. These penguins are the loudest. They sound like donkeys. Magellanic, height 24 to 28 inches. Snares, height 21 to 25 inches. Royal, height 24 to 28 inches. Macaroni, height 21 to 26 inches. Chinstrap, height 27 inches. Ghetto, height 27 to 30 inches. These penguins are the fastest swimmers. Adelie, height 22 to 26 inches. Humboldt, height 22 to 26 inches. King, height 37 inches. These penguins don't make a nest. They carry their eggs wherever they go. Largest emperor, height 44 inches. Penguin play. Hopping. Rockhoppers can hop 5 feet high. Life isn't always easy for penguins, but at least they look like they're having fun. Singing. Adults sing to their mates and chicks sing for their parents. Sledding. Penguins speed down icy hills on their feet and bellies to get somewhere fast. Surfing. Penguins surf through the waves. Sometimes they surf right from the water up onto the land. Barb means something sharp and pointy like a hook. Coast means where land meets water. Colony, a group of animals who live together. Equator, an imaginary line halfway between the north and south poles. Marine mammals have fur and give birth to live young. Unlike other mammals, they spend most of their time in the ocean. Webbed means connected by skin. This is the end of the Penguins book. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.